versions, any version actually, and you need the iOS 4.1 restore file right here, which will be linked in the description. So you want to turn off your device, so either power it off, and then press power button and home, and the Apple logo should appear. We're going to put the iPod in DFU mode, and when the Apple logo disappears, just let go of the power button and hold the home button. And it should pop up in your computer. Alright. And now if you are on Windows, you press Shift and Restore. If you're on Mac, you press Option and Restore. And then just drag this in here, and it's just going to locate it. Press Open and restore it. Now you should see a white screen, and now the Apple logo. And now it's going to restore your iPod to iOS 4.1. And we'll be back when it's finished. And when it is plugged in, you should see a message like this. And then you should click here. And then as soon as you click on it, it should show the slide to unlock screen. Set up as a new device. And now you should have a new device. It should say syncing in progress. And now you have iOS 4.1. And now you have a little bit of a faster device. Alright, quickly, we need to edit this. It should say syncing in progress. And now you have iOS 4.1. And now you have a little bit of a faster device.